Good morning and welcome to the Read Aloud for the Unit 5 test. So, question number 1. All collisions resulting from random molecular motion prompt chemical reactions to begin. True or false? Question number 2. The illustration depicts possible routes of collisions in the reaction CH2 bonded together plus HCl yields CH3CH2Cl. Which of the following statements is true? Letter A, the orientation of the reactants is critical. Letter B, the chlorine atom does not participate in the reaction. Or letter C, the hydrogen atom does not participate in the reaction. Question 3. When two reactants collide with enough energy in the correct orientation, what is formed? The reaction's products, B, the reaction's transition state, or C, the reaction's activation energy. Question 4. Choose the best description of a reaction's transition state. A stable, permanent structure, an unstable, temporary structure, or a stable, temporary structure. Question 5. What term refers to the difference between the energy of the transition state and the energy of the reactants? Activation energy, reaction rate energy, or energy of enthalpy? What happens in a reaction if it is at chemical equilibrium? Question 6. What happens in a reaction if it is at chemical equilibrium? A, the rate of the forward reaction exceeds that of the reverse reaction. B, the rate of the forward reaction equals the rate of the reverse reaction. Or C, the rate of the reverse reaction exceeds that of the forward reaction. Question 7. Which of the following factors does not increase the rate of a reaction? Adding an effective catalyst to the system, increasing the temperature of the system, or decreasing the concentration of the reactants. Be careful to make sure you see that it says does not increase. Question number 8. For a chemical reaction depicted in the diagram, which of the following does the dotted line represent? So what does this blue dotted line represent? A catalyst was added to the system. B, the temperature of the reactant mixture was increased. Or C, reactants were added to the system. Question 9. Which of the following does not change the energy of the reactants relative to the activation energy? Reducing the temperature, increasing the surface area, or increasing the temperature. Question 10. The diagram shows the concentration of products in blue and reactants in red over time for a chemical reaction. Which of the following statements is true? Product concentration is always increasing. Reactant concentration is always decreasing, or as time goes on, reactant and product concentrations become balanced. Question 11. A chemical reaction is at equilibrium. What will be the effect if more of the product is added? The reaction will shift to the left towards the reactants, or the reaction will shift to the right towards the products. Question 12. Which of the following is likely to occur if more reactants are added to a reaction that is at chemical equilibrium? The reaction will shift to the right towards the products. The reaction will shift to the left towards the reactants. Or there will be no effect, the reaction will stay at equilibrium. Question 13. Changes in which of the following do not shift the equilibrium of a chemical system? concentration, temperature, or time. And question 14, which is a long answer question, the reversible chemical reaction A plus B yields C plus D is described by the following reaction energy diagram right here. You have energy on the y-axis, progress of the reaction or time on the x-axis. Reactants are here, this is the activation energy, and then the products are here. And what you should do is make a prediction about the reaction's equilibrium. Which reaction will dominate, the forward or reverse reaction? Explain your choice using the reaction energy diagram to support your argument. And that's it. Once you have finished answering all of these questions, you can submit your test. Remember that you do have another option to take it if you choose. So if you choose to, you can retake this test.